Hey everybody, it's Sami, business strategist for real estate agents, and in today's video I want to show you a really cool Google Chrome extension called Cami. And if you haven't heard of it, you're going to want to download it, and I'll show you in this video today how to download it and why it's a must-have for your Google Chrome browser and how it's going to help you in your real estate business. So I absolutely love Cami because it's an all-in-one tool that can edit any document or PDF. And I make another video about this and how you can edit contracts and whatnot and documents, and also put on text, scratch things out. So if you don't have an e-signing platform that you're using, or you find it a little bit difficult, Cami might be more of a user-friendly option for you. So let's dive right in. I'm going to share a scenario with you. Have you ever had a situation where your client may have scanned PDF documents individually? So let's say one document had 4 pages and your client scanned it to show up individually instead of as one PDF, and you have 4 separate pages for that's supposed to be one document. This happens a lot, especially with our older clients that we work with. They sometimes don't know how to merge all their documents to one, or they're not selecting a box that says scan all files into one document. So if that's the case, Cami is going to be an amazing tool for you. So what we're looking at right now is some title documents that I've ordered. So as you can see, there's about, let me just turn this off. There's 5, 6, 7, 8 individual documents, okay? So the 8 individual documents, we're going to want to merge all of these documents into one. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and type in chrome.google.com and type in Cami. Click on the very first one that you see, Cami for Google Chrome, and you'll want to add to Chrome extension. So it's going to download, and what that's going to look like is this little puzzle piece on the top right corner here. Once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and just click Cami for Google. So here's the beautiful thing. If you want to merge all of these documents, it's super simple. You just click download, and it's going to, so this is a file that the lawyer company has sent to us, and I'm going to download all of these documents at once. So it's just a click of a button to download, and let me just see if it showed up on my desktop here in my downloads. So it did right here. So now what I want to do is open up all of these documents here. So let me just open that up. So as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I want to add these documents to our MLS system, and our MLS system only allows us to add up to 10 documents. So I'm not going to individually add 8. So what I'm going to do using our Cami tool, once we open this up, again, going to the puzzle piece here, clicking on Cami for Google Chrome, click on split and merge. And then you're going to want to drag all of your files. This is amazing. So I'm going to drag and drop all of my files. And here you see all the files there. And what I want to do, just make sure I've got all the files here. Yes, I do. And click on next. And then it's going to say merge mode or split mode. So if you have someone who scanned 100 pages all at once, you can split these documents per page and per document, or you can merge all of these documents into one. So I'm going to merge it all into one, click export all, click download, and then I'm going to download the file. And now it has been downloaded. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. So all of the files are now one PDF document. So I'll go back into my downloads and open this up. And here it is. So what I did was I dragged the downloaded documents, I renamed it to title documents onto my desktop. And then now what I'm going to do is just add new, choose a file, and go onto my desktop and click title document. So all of those 10 documents that I needed that were PDF is now in one document. And then I can go ahead and save it onto our MLS system. And that is it. So if you have clients that are scanning things individually, you need to merge it all, Cami is a tool for you guys. It's amazing. I highly suggest trying it.